channel. On today's video, I want to show you what I got in my curlBOX. curlBOX is a monthly hair subscription targeted towards people with curly hair. It is a $20 subscription with a $5 shipping charge. So we'll get started. Okay. So of course, it always comes with like a little brochure. Talks about the products that came in. There's that. Let's turn this side to the flat front way. Okay. It looks like a one brand takeover. Maui Moisture. I never heard of this brand, so I'm kind of excited. All right. The first product we have is a Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask. Looks like that. Okay. Next product we have is a shampoo. They look like those juice drinks, you know, the ones you could just buy in store and they're like pre-mixed juices. That's what they look like. There's that. Here is the conditioner. Next we have, what are you? A leave-in detangler. And the last product I have that's in a Ziploc bag, it is an Agave Raw Oil. So that's what it looks like. Made with 100% aloe extract. Yeah, so that is everything I got. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these products. It's of course I've never heard of the brand or used the product, so I'll be excited to try those out. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.